Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Let's get into today's video. Listen, quick disclaimer for you guys. I don't care who's Republican, I don't care who's Democrat, I don't care who's in the middle. This video is all about the administration's home decor, so please kindly leave your political views on another channel. Don't kill my vibe. I don't even want to read it. I just want to see their beautiful Christmas trees. Now let's hop into the video. All right, guys, let's start with the Biden administration, the newest kids on the block. Now, I love this room. I am very much into traditional Christmas decor. I do want a couple of years to play with something different, but every year I'm just like, I don't think this is the year. I love this mantle. Look at that garland. It's gorgeous. The dual trees are something I haven't done. Now, this tree is special. It was decorated with peace doves, and each dove is holding a ribbon with a different state on it. So it's going to be 50 doves there. I thought that was pretty creative. Loved this present arch all around. I really like their home decor, but my favorite is the dual tree with the traditional kind of color scheme going. I really love that. All right, so let's head to the Trump administration. We're going to start with this picture. It was really notorious in making rounds. Honestly, I don't hate it. I don't think it's not what I would have chosen for the White House, but I would have this in a room of my house. It wouldn't be my full Christmas decor. But moving on, now I actually like the really simple trees with the bulbs. It's definitely screaming Christmas to me. And of course, you guys already know I love the dual trees and those like clusters of red decor and ornaments down below. I just think it's gorgeous. Now, this, honestly, I'm not feeling this, you guys. I think it's very striking. I think it would be maybe, you know what? This feels like it would be in Kim Kardashian's home. It's not giving me Christmas at all, but I don't hate it, but is not giving me Christmas at all. So now we are headed to the Obama administration. Now, I love this garland like over the top. I love this, but is it just me or do these trees look a little small? Like I feel like they're just a little, I don't know, a little small. Now these look better. Now keep in mind, we are looking at different rooms and parts of the White House in different years. This is not all the same year, obviously, especially with presidents that served more than one term. But I'm not loving this. It's festive. If this holiday decor was at one of my friends' homes, I would be like, oh, this is so pretty. But at the White House, you know, a home made by the American people for the American people. It's all of our houses and just kind of has like endless resources. I do like these trees. I love the way they're decorated. You know, I'm a sucker for traditional. Yeah, I'm just a little underwhelmed. Now, they work with the same designer for all 8 years. And I kind of feel like they should have switched it around. I don't love this, but let me know in the comment section, do you? Now, I do love these trees. You guys know I am a glam girl at heart, so something about these pink and silver trees with the silver like bases, I love that. Okay, so also in the Obama administration, I feel like this is a great idea for a patriotic tree. Of course, red, white, and blue. It is pretty, you know, it's pretty, but this, it's patriotic. It was Christmas decor, but I feel like this would be perfect for 4th of July. Now, moving on to the Bush administration. You see this tree? It's okay. I've seen worse, definitely, but it's okay. You know, it's giving what it's supposed to give, I guess. Not a huge tinsel fan. However, tinsel does scream Christmas. So I guess the assignment was definitely understood. Now, these dolls, they are gorgeous and I think they're beautiful on the buffet table. They are just the slightest bit creepy to me. I couldn't have them in my home because I feel like you would come back and they would be gone. And then you would like open a kitchen cabinet and they would have been in there. But I love this tree. Very traditional with pops of blue. But I do like it. You know, side note, do you guys know how large these trees are? Because, I mean, the grand tree is just humongous. So apparently the bushes love metallic silver and gold because I saw this theme implemented quite a bit in their decor. And what a just grand outside picturesque view. All right, shimmying on over to the Clinton administration. Tons of stockings on the mantle. That just feels so traditional to me. Now, you will notice in the Clinton administration with these pictures, the quality is just a bit off. Keep in mind that he was president in the 2000 or yeah 2000, so tech and quality was just a little bit lacking there. However, they opted for a traditional tree as well. I believe they were in the White House 8 years as well, so they had patriotic trees. Look at that humongous tree skirt too. I think I'm more amazed with that than probably the decor itself. But I do think this is a very festive tree. It is giving me Christmas vibes. Love the wreaths on the windows. I think it's pretty. But this one I actually loved. I already told you something about the red and white for me. It is Christmas. Also, of course, love the dual trees yet again. If anybody knows what type of tree this is, let me know. I don't love this type of tree. And here we are back with another set of Bush administrations. This is the H.W. Bush administration. Once again, picture quality is a little lacking because we were back in the 90s at this point. Very grand tree, some traditional influences on there, a lot of nutcrackers. That's actually really pretty. Like that idea. A lot of dolls on this tree. I'm a little creeped out by it, but it is pretty, and I feel like kids would love this. Speaking of kids, there's a nice picture with President Bush reading to his grandkids in front of the tree. I just think this is a very precious photo. You see Santa in the background there. Once again, we have a portrait in front of a large tree. They just seem to go very traditional. I feel like they were kind of decorating for their grandkids at this point, which, it's cool. And the last administration we are going to take a look at is the Reagan administration. Here you have them. Nice little tree with, now, is this? Yeah, that looks like popcorn. I'm not a fan of popcorn on the tree for some reason. I can't even explain why. I did try to string popcorn with my grandmother one year, and when I tell you that was the most tedious, never ending experience I've had in a long time. And ever since then, I've just been very off put by popcorn on a tree. You can see they went a very traditional route as well. I feel like we didn't start getting just very different until like maybe the last 2 or 3 presidents when people decided to really start putting their own spin on it and adding their personality into it. This is a humongous tree. Absolutely love it. And let me just say, President Reagan was a very nice looking man. Older man, of course, but in his youth, he was nice. Now, I love this picture, and I included it, even though it was blurry, because it gives me a lot of ideas of a green tree with white lights and white feathers and decor. I just think that would be beautiful. Alrighty friends, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more, check out one of these videos showing it right now. I will see you in the next day of Vlogmas. Bye friends.